So this is a video of how to operate the brass insert nut press. You should have already looked at the PDF on how to design and create your 3D printed object with the proper posts for the insert nuts. So let's look at how to actually press the insert nuts in with the machine. Okay, so we've made this lower ring there for this to actually sit down into, so it's in the exact right position when we're going to drop this down. What we have to do now is adjust this height, or how far it goes down. So we want it to go down to the inner ring where this is going to sit, because that ultimately will be the top of this, and we don't want it to go lower. So I'm going to drop this down. Can't move anymore, but I'm going to bring this up and I'm going to lock this. That means it can only go down that far now. Okay? So we've got the little indent here for this to sit down in. So you just want to push this down, just down there. Line up this. And then we're going to turn it on by holding this. Just hold it till the digital readout goes on. And we want to wait till that goes up to 400 degrees. And then we're going to hold it from here and push it down slowly till it stops. Okay, we're at 400. Push this down, hold on to this, just let it heat up for a little bit. Let it get up to temperature, and now we're going to push it down. And we're going to push it till it stops. And now we're going to retract it. And now you can see we have the perfect insert nut. It's just below the surface, in other words about 1 millimeter down, which is where we set that ring to drop down to. And that's nice and secure.